Hello everyone, good day to all. I welcome all my dear kids to today's online live classes. I am Pushpashri, faculty of Bhat and Bhat Tutorials. I'll be handling mathematics for Navodaya, Sainik as well as RMS school entrance exam. So well my dear kids, in the last two sessions we discussed about the meaning of square and square roots and there we solved one of the problem also. So today we'll move on to the further problems of square and square root. Okay. So in square and square root we'll be learning about the decimal and about with the fractions in today's class. Okay. And if you people have missed the last session, please go through the description box and watch the previous class videos. So well, let us start today's class. I'll start with the decimal problems. Okay. In square and square root only, square root itself, we have decimal problems. So let us discuss that today. Okay. So it is of decimal problems. The question number 1, 7.29. So 7.29 is the number where you have to find the square root for the number 7.29. Usually when we are doing the square root under division method, what we usually do, we are going to pair the numbers. Okay. So when you're going to get it in decimal numbers, better you people can go under division method instead of doing under prime factorization. So what happens means in prime factorization method, you will be removing the decimal points and then you will be doing the problems. But when you go here with the division method, you can do it directly without removing the points. So I'll be doing under division method. Now we'll see to the board. Later you people can copy. The number is 7.29, correct? What is the number? The number is 7.29. So first what we have to do? Pairing the numbers. First last two numbers you will be pairing it. That is 2, 9 is the one pair, 7 is one pair. You can ask me, ma'am, two numbers should be paired. Yes, it is correct. You have to pair two numbers itself. Since there is only one number after the point, you must pair only one number. Okay. Suppose if the number is like this, what you have to do? Pair these two numbers, pair only this one number, pair these two numbers. Usually they won't give you like this, but if they give, you have to pair in such a way. Okay, I'll teach you when we move on to the problems of such kind. Okay, so now we'll see to this now. So we have paired. So what is the next step we have to do? We have to go under division. So let us divide this now. 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, so 3 threes are 9, so I can go with 2. 2 twos are it is 4. So now 7 minus 4 it is 3. So put the 2 here. 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4. And what is the remainder? 3 is the remainder. Now take the next pair down, that is 2, 9. 2, 9 is the next pair, no? So I am taking 2, 9 down. So 2 plus 2, you have to add here. 2 plus 2, it is 4. And you have to see now in which one it will divide. See for example, 41 into 1, 41. 42 into 2, how much? 43 into 3. Like this if you see, 329 will go under 47 sevens are. 7 sevens are 49, 9, 4 should be carried out here. 7 fours are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So 329 you got it here. Right here 47 sevens are 329 and the remainder is 0. So no need to write 7 here. So if you write 7 also, you can add 7 plus 7, 14, 4 plus 1, 54 it will be. But if you want, you can, or else no need of doing that. Okay. So now, what is the answer you have got here? 27. But the thing is, you have to put the decimal point and the question arises here where you have to put that decimal point or where you have to keep the decimal point. You can see here after the first pair, there is a decimal point. That means after 2, 9, that means the first pair of the number, there is a point. So after one number, you will be keeping the point here. So therefore, square root of 7.29 will be equal to 2.7. Got this? So now you can copy down. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Copy down. Fine. Hope you all copied this. Now we'll move on to the second problem. In decimal only, we'll see to the second problem. See to the question here. The question is like this. 232.5625, where you have to find the square root for this number. The number is very big, but the answer is very less. Okay, so how to do this? We'll check it out now. See here, first what we have to do, we have to pair the numbers. So before that, write the number once, 232.5625. Pair the number. 25 is one pair, 56 is one pair, 32 is one pair, 2 as it is stays as one pair. So put the format of division. So now put the format of division. Okay. So since 2 is only one pair, first we'll do divide the 2. So 1 ones are 1 and the remainder is 1. Put the 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. Take 3, 2 down now. Okay. So now see in which ones it will go. So 20, we'll see in 25. 25 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 to carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 2. 12. 125. Is it nearest to this? Yes. But check it out with 26 ones. 6 6 are 36. 6 3 carry. 6 2s are 12. 13 14 15. But 156 is the highest when I compare to 132. So what you have to do? You have to go with 25 fives are. So 25 fives are 125. Okay, 25 fives are 125. And put the 5 here also. And now 12 minus 5. The remainder is 7. So here it will be 2. So no remainder. 25 plus 5. 30. Don't multiply here. Remember, you have to add here. Okay. So with the 7, take the two numbers down. That is 56. And now you have to see in which ones it will go. Let us see in 302 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0, 2 3s are 6. It is 604. Now we'll check it out with 3. 303 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 zeros are 0, 3 3s are 9. So it will be 909. Where 909 is highest when I compare to 604. So go with 302. 2s are 604. So 302 2s are. And right here 302 plus 2 it is 304. So now go with the next calculations. So now you have to minus this. So when you minus you will get 152. How ma'am? 6 minus 4 2. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. And here 302 plus 2 it is 304. And now along with this you have to take the next pair down, that is 25. And now you have to check out with this in which tables it will go. So it is 3045 into 5. So 3045 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5, 2 should be carried out here. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22. 2, 5 3s are 15. So you got the answer right. So 304 5s are 15225 and the remainder is 0. So this is how you will be doing the calculation. And what is the answer? You have got it here. See there, you have got 1525. So right over here, square root of 232.5625 is equal to this one. So this is one pair, this is two pair. After two numbers there is a point, so keep the point here, is equal to 15.25. This is your answer. Okay. Again I'll explain you. Listen. The number is 232.5625. First, you are going to pair the numbers. So the number is what? 232.5625. Here, 25 is one pair, 56 is one pair, 32 is one pair, but 2 alone it stands to make it 2 as one pair. Okay, so when you are making the pair, make sure that it has to go in a particular square itself. See here, 1 ones are 1. Okay, so 1 ones are 1 and the remainder is 1 and 1 ones are it will be 1 only. And we are going to take down 32 down, that is your second pair, you are going to take it down. So now 1 plus 1 it is 2. Okay, so now you are having the number 132. So in which 20 tables it will go, you have to check. So when I check it out with 25 into 5, whatever the number you are going to put here, here also the same number should be. Okay, 25 fives are 125 I have got. So 25 fives are 125. 25 fives are 125. So 132 minus 125, 7 is the remainder. Okay, and here you are going to add this, you will get 30. Fine. So here 7 is the remainder, with that 56 you are going to take down. Okay, so now 30 you have got. So in 30, 756, in which one side it will go, you have to see. So 300 into 0, 0. 301 into 1, 302 into 2. If like that, if you see, 302 2s are 604 and the remainder is 152. Take this 25 down. 302 2s are 604. 302 plus 2, 304, and you have this number and you have to check in which one side it will go. So 3041 into 1, 3042 into 2, 3043 into 3. Like that, if you see 3045 into 5, you will get this answer. And the remainder will be 0 here. And here you are going to write the answer. Okay, and after how many pairs you are having the decimal point, you have to check out here. So after two numbers you have the decimal point. This is the first pair, this is the second pair. 56 is one pair, 25 is one pair. After two pairs you are having a decimal point. So after two numbers put the decimal point. So therefore, square root of 232.5625 is equal to 15.25. Got this? So now you can copy down this. If you want, you can write that notes also. So this is called as working note. Copy down. Okay, fine. Hope you all copied this. So now we'll move on with the fractions. Fractions under square root. I'm just solving simple questions here. Okay. So when we move on to the exercise, I'll know you in detail. So the next will be fraction problems. So it is for fraction problems. Find the square root of, the question will be like this. Find the square root of 1 by 4. The question will be like this. What you have to do on that time, you have to find the square root for 1 by 4. I think you people can guess now only what is the answer. So, solution, the square root of 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. This is your answer. How? See, 2 into 2. 2 square is what? 4. Okay. So like this you can write. So in the same way, if they ask you, find the square root of, find the square root of, find the square root of 140, okay, 36 divided by 144. If they ask you like this, the solution will be, you all know, right? Square root of 36 divided by 144 is equal to 6 by 12. Or further, if you want to do, you can do according to your options. In your option, if they had given 6 by 12, stop off there only. But if they had given 1 by 2, this can also be written as 1 by 2. 6 ones are 6 twos are 12, correct? So like that also you can do. So copy down this, but in some of the, if you won't get the square numbers, if you get imperfect squares and all, how you have to do, we'll just know when we move on to the exercise, okay? This is just for your understanding part. Copy down this.